Today, let's talk about numbers in Excel. There are two sets of numbers over here, and I want to know their total. So I did the sum for these two data, and you can see that the one on the left side works properly, and the one on the right side doesn't. And the reason why is that the one on the right side, these numbers, they are stored as text. So you can see that there is this green triangle at the cell, and also the numbers are at the left side of the cell. So what I can do now is to just convert them to numbers. So select this range, and then there is this warning sign. Click on it, and then click on convert to number. And now the sum works properly, and also the green triangle disappear and the numbers are at the right side of the cell. So basically, sum ignores text when doing summing, and in the future, when you notice your numbers are stored at the left side of the cell and there's a green triangle over there, just make sure to double check your data to see if it's a number or a text. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.